Welcome back to a new video, and today's topic will be Ojha. The reason for selecting the Ojha after Sapta Dhatu is that because actually what happens that the Sapta Dhatu starts from Ras and ends up to the Shukra. There is a biotransformation, or each of the Dhatu nourishes its subsequent Dhatu. But however, since Shukra Dhatu is the last Dhatu among the Sapta Dhatu, and after Shukra Dhatu there is the subsequent Dhatu. But if we follow the Ayurvedic principle of nourishment or the Dhatu Poshan Nyais, which we will be definitely creating a video and which will be coming soon. We can see that after the Shukra Dhatu is formed, then there is the formation of Ojha. Now, the question is Ojha a part of the Sapta Dhatu, or is Ojha a separate entity? Let's find out in this video. So this is the part 1. Let's start with it. Starting with the Nirukti. It has been said that Urjate va iti, or Urja bala pranayo. What does this mean? If you see the verse Urjate, it means Ojha. There is Sandhi, that is why it's Urjate va iti. And Urja bala pranayo means it is responsible for providing bal, that is strength, and pran, or it is the supporter of life. That is why Ojha is very much important. Next, coming to the definition. Acharya Charak in Shutrasthan have said that Prakritastu balang sleshma vikrito mala uchyate sa cheva ojha smritaha kaya sach papama uddishyate. So, if you look closely into the verse and go for the Sandhi Vichet, the Prakritastu valang sleshma vikrita mal uchyate. What does this mean? That means the sleshma, this sleshma in Prakritik avastha, or in the natural state, is Prakritastu balang sleshma vikrita mal uchyate. That means the sleshma which is in its Prakritik, or in its natural state, or in a state where it is not vitiated, provides bal, and this is nothing but which is known as the Ojha. However, in contrast or in contradictory to it, vikrita, that means in its vitiated state, or in a state where it is or have been hampered by various factors, in that cases it is known as mal. Sa chaiva ojaha smritaha kaya sach papama udeshyate. So very simple, that means sleshma if in its prakritik avastha, then it's Ojha, whereas sleshma if in its vikriti avastha or in vitiated state is mal. So basically the sleshma is one of the main factor here. Again, Acharya Sushrut in Shutrasthan have mentioned or given his opinion that Tatra rasadinang shukrantanang dhatunang yat par tejas tatra khalva jastat eva balamitya chate. Again, Tatra ras adinang shukrantanang dhatunang yat par. It means that the Ojha is the essence of all the dhatu, starting from the Ras dhatu up to the Shukra dhatu. Tejos tat khalva ojhas tat eva balamityuchyate. And this is known as the Ojha, which is responsible or provides bal, that is strength and nourishment, not nourishment, actually strength to the body. Next, if we see into Chakrapani's opinion on Charak Shutrasthan, he has mentioned that Eta cho ojha upadhatu rupam kechi dahuhu. It means Ojha is the essence part of the Sapta Dhatu, sustains the body but nourishes it, hence considered as upadhatu. So this is important because if we ever get the reference that who have mentioned Ojha or considered Ojha as the upadhatu, so it has to be Chakrapani. So Eta cha ojha, this is Sandhi here, that is Et cha ojha upadhatu rupam, means it is the like upadhatu. What are upadhatu? Upadhatu are something which actually sustains the body, or which supports the body, but however not nourishes. So if we look into the main difference between the dhatu and the upadhatu, dhatu is the one which will be supporting the body as well, and also will be providing nourishment to itself and its subsequent dhatu. But however, upadhatu is one which only sustains or supports the body. So Ojha is considered as an upadhatu as per Acharya Chakrapani's opinion. Again, Acharya Charak in Sharistan 7th chapter have mentioned that Sleshmikasya Ojhasaha. That means Sleshma, this Sleshmik, at least this is nothing but the Sleshma Sya Ojhasa. That means Ojha is considered as the Sleshmaka Dravya. Yes, definitely, because we have just studied that Prakritastu Valam Sleshma, that is Ojha, whereas Vikrito Sleshma is Mal. So, according to Acharya Charak, Ojha is the Sleshmakya Dravya. Again, Acharya Sushrut in Shutrasthan has given another opinion that Ojha Somatmakam. It is very important because Som, actually Som means something which is cool or watery in nature. So according to Acharya Sushrut, this Ojha is having the properties of Som or cool and watery in nature. If we look into the Panchabhautikatva, then we have just studied that Ojha is the Sleshmakya Dravya, and Sleshmakya such Dhatu or Dravya are nothing but their dominance in up, that is Jal Mahabhut and the Prithvi Mahabhut. So its Panchabhautikatva would be combination of the up and the Prithvi Mahabhut. Coming to the formation, Acharya Charak in Shutrasthan 17th chapter has given his opinion that Brahmarehe फल पुष्पेभ्यो यथा संहीयते मधु तद्व ओजः स्वकर्मभ्यो गुणेः संहीयते नृणाम्. Let's look into this carefully. Brahmare फल पुष्पेभ्यो यथा संहीयते मधु. Just like honeybees which collect the honey from different parts of the फल and pushpo, that is the fruits and the flower. Similarly, tadva ojah swakarmabhya gunehe sanhyate nrinam. Similarly, in the same manner, the ojha is collected or gets its form from all the tissues or parts of the body and gets deposited in one place. So that is why we continuously say, or we have just studied even, that Ojha is considered as the essence of all the Sapta Dhatus. So that is a simile or a comparison that the Ojha has been compared with the honeybees here, which is really important. Next, coming to the classification, Acharya Chakrapani have said that Dvividham Ojha Darshayati Param Aparam. That means here is a sandhi here, that is the Para Ojha and the Apara Ojha. So Ojha is of two types, Para Ojha and Apara Ojha. Now the Para Ojha is the superior quality and the Apara Ojha is less superior. Definitely it is important, but compared to the Para Ojha, it is of less significance. But definitely both of them are very important to sustain the body. Coming to the qualities of Ojha, Acharya Charak have mentioned that he has given his opinion about the qualities of the Ojha, that Guru Shitang Mridu Slekshnang Vahalang Madhura Stiram Prasanna Pichilang Snigdama Ojha Dasha Gunam Smritam. So if we look into the verse, there are actually 10 qualities of Ojha that have been mentioned here. What are these 10 qualities? These are Guru. Guru means which is heavy in nature. Shitang, which means cold in nature. Mridu means soft. Shlekshna, smoothness. Vahalang, tense. Madhuram, sweet. Sthiram, stable. Prasanna Pichillang. Prasanna, it's clearness. Pichillang, that means it will having slimy. And Snigdhama Ojha, that means it will be unctuous. Dasha Guna. These are the 10 qualities of the Ojha. Now, this 10 qualities is very important, because when you will be studying Agat Tantra, that is the forensic medicine and toxicology, in second prop, you will be getting the fact that the vish, which means poison, they are having exactly the opposite of Ojas. So anything which is opposite to these qualities will be causing harm to the body, and vish is the one which are having the qualities exactly opposite to those. So let's not get into the wish. Let's stick to our topic of Ojha. Next, coming Acharya Sushruta in Shutrasthan have given his opinion that Ojha somatmakam snigdhang shuklang shitang sthirang saram viviktan mridu mritsnang cha pranayatanam uttamam. So actually the Acharya Charak and Sushruta's opinion almost matches with each other, but however Sushruta have mentioned some additional differences, that is the Shom Atmakam. We have just studied that in Sushruta Shutrasthan he have in Acharya Sushruta have considered Ojha to have the Somya Guna or moon-like, or which will be having watery gun. It is watery in nature, Somya. Snigdham, definitely these are the qualities which have been already mentioned by Acharya Charak. This Shukla, this is somewhat different, whitish in nature. And Vivikta means which is pure and clear, and Mritsna, which means delicate. Pranaya ayatanama uttamam. There is sandhi here, that is the prana ayatan uttamam. That means it is the uttam, best, and ayatan, prana means supporter of life. That is Ojha is the best supporter of life. So these are the differences in opinion regarding the qualities of Ojha as mentioned by Acharya Sushrut, which differs from Acharya Charak. The rest is same. And this is very important, the best supporter of life. Actually, even Acharya Charak have mentioned it too, but in a different chapter and on a different context. He have also considered Ojha as the ayatan, prana ayatan, worth mentioning. Next, coming to the quantity and location. We will be studying the quantity and location together. Let's see, Acharya Chakrapani on his commentary of Charak Shutrasthan 30th chapter have mentioned that Prana Ashrayasya Ojha so Ashtho Vindava Hridaya Ashritaha. It is Sandhi Vichhet here. This is the Prana Ashraya. Ojha so Ashtho Vindava. It means the here we are talking about the Para Ojha. It is very important here. Para Ojha is the superior quality of Ojha, and its quantity is Ashtho Vindava. Vindava Ashtho means 8 and Vindava means drops. So this Para Ojha is quantity is 8 drops, and Hridaya Ashrita. Hridaya means the cardiac or the heart region, and Ashrita means where it stays or its location. That is the Para Ojha which is present in Hridaya is of 8 drops or 8 bindu, and its location is in Hridaya. Very important. Next, coming to again Acharya Chakrapani's commentary on Charak Shutrasthan 30th chapter has mentioned in a similar manner that Ardhanjali Parimitya Sya Ojhasa Dhamanya Eva Hridaya Shritaha Sthanam. Again, Ardha Anjali. Sandhi here, it is the Ardha means half, and Anjali means the Praman. Anjali Praman. Parimita Sya Ojhasya. That means we are talking here about the Apara Ojha, worth mentioning. First we have talked about the Para Ojha, now we are talking about the Apara Ojha. Dhamanya eva Hridaya Ashritaha Sthanam. That means it is present in the Dhamani and Hridaya and all the other parts of the body, and its quantity is half Anjali or 1 prasriti, that is the 96 gram. Now what does 1 prasriti means? Actually, when you will be studying the Man Paribhasha in Vaishajya Kalpana in the second prof, there we will be getting the references of various kind of Man, the Man that have been used by Acharya Charak and Sushrut, such as 1 tanka, 1 sun, 1 coal, and much more. Let's not dig into that. So we have discussed about the quantity of both the Para and the Apara Ojhas and also their locations as well. One important thing is that Acharya Chakrapani have commented his opinion in Charak Shutrasthan that Kechitu Shukra Visheshama Ojha. He has considered Ojha as the Shukra Vishesh. This is very important. And Ojha is considered as the Shukra Vishesh according to Acharya Chakrapani. But however, it does not lead to mental pleasure. This is very important because Shukra Dhatu, according to Acharya Chakrapani, he has said that it does not lead to the mental pressure. So thus we have completed the first part of the Ojha Dhatu. In the second part, we will be covering about the various topics, that is the Ojha Vishram Sakshaya and their Lakshan. So thank you.